This video is for people with iPhones and they really don't have any technical knowledge, and also, like me, you weren't told that if you hit the square, the exposure changes. So, you know, it's the simplest things, and you know, the teenagers and the young people show you this and you go, oh wow, I didn't know that. So, you know, if you're having a problem with something, go to a young person and ask them, how do you do this? Because they know it all. And we're a little late on this technology stuff, so there you go. My daughter showed me this, and ever since that I've been making much better photos on my iPhone. And it was that little tip that she gave me helped me make these photographs, right? And improve my photograph shooting with my iPhone. So I'm just showing you how to improve your photographs. So here we go. So what I'm going to show you is basically how you take photographs and change the exposure. My daughter showed me this a while back, but I didn't actually know it when I got my phone first. So just in case you don't know it, you go to your photos, and I'm taking a picture of this room, as you can see. Now, if you want standard the wall and everything, you just touch here. But if you go up to this light and touch it, it'll stop down. And see, it gets darker. And then if you go down to the tiles, it's a different exposure again. Hang on, can you see that there? There's the tiles. And see, it changes as we go up here. So you can find your value in that square box by touching the square box in different places. You can find the value of the picture. So at night, you know, I can touch around and then get this really good effect, which I will show you right now. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you how I edit my photos really quickly on the fly. You take it here, and you hit your little edit button here, and you have your editing. And I usually go to this one here. Come on, click. It's being a bit, there it is. It's on already. Now I usually go exposure, and then I just run up and down and see what I like, right? And then I go to the next one, which is brilliance. Change it a little. Next one, highlights. Look at your sun on the water and that, see what you like. Shadows. You can bring the dark down a bit so that you can see the lights on the side of the mountain here, maybe, if there is some. Contrast can go flat, but on these pictures you want to go plus. There's a nice contrast. Black makes it very interesting coloring. There you go. Color. Saturation is a really good one because you can make your colors stronger, right? Vibrance. I sometimes use it, I sometimes don't. Warmth, you can make it warmer or colder. There's cold, and there's warmer. What's left? Tint will leave. I think we're good enough at that. I like that, and I'm done. And there you go. That's how you edit your photo quickly. And because you started off with this could be quite lighter, and I actually put my box up here near the sun. In here near the sun, it stopped down the picture. So it wasn't looking like that with the eye. Another good way to see photos when you're going around is wear sunglasses like Polaroid glasses, and it'll help you a lot. So I'm just going to do a summary of what you can do here. So you take your phone, you go to your camera, and you get the little square box in it, and you touch that around, and if you hit it into the light, it stops down, and if you hit it to gray, it basically is the proper color for normal light. and then if you go to something darker, it'll change it again. So you can get different effects, but I want to just show you the stop down effect a little bit more, so I'm going to show you a couple of photos where I did that, and here they are. Okay. The other big thing is when you're out biking, you put your phone in your pocket and you put on polarizer glasses with blue in them. And I had mine on last time when I was biking, and I was coming along a ditch, and all of a sudden I noticed the grapevines and the sun behind went up, touched the square close partly on the sun, shut it down, and got this photo. So this just helps you make better photos with your iPhone. We'll get into framing pictures in another video. Thanks for watching.